Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Smart Learning English channel. Dave, you look really tired today. How was your day yesterday?
Honestly, it was pretty busy.
Really? What happened?
I woke up late, then I missed my bus, then I spilled coffee on my shirt.
Oh, no. That sounds like a rough morning.
It was. And the worst part? I was already late for work.
So, what did you do?
I called my coworker. I said, "I'm running late."
What did they say?
They said, "Again, Dave?"
Again?
Yes. Apparently, I'm becoming famous at work.
For being late?
Exactly. Not the kind of fame I wanted.
I can imagine. So, how was the rest of your day?
Once I got to work, things got much better. I had a lot to do, but I finished most of it.
That's good. Did you have lunch at work?
Yes, I had rice and chicken.
Your usual?
Pretty much.
You really like that meal.
It's easy, and I know it won't surprise me.
That's true. Some days you just want something simple.
Exactly. After lunch, I had a meeting.
How was the meeting?
It was okay, a little long,
How long?
about an hour and a half.
Oh, wow. That's a long meeting.
Yeah. By the end, everyone looked tired,
Including you?
especially me.
What did you do after work?
I went home, I changed my clothes, then I sat on the couch.
You were done for the day?
Almost. I still had to make dinner.
What did you make?
Eggs and noodles.
That sounds good.
It was, but I was so tired, I almost put salt in my coffee.
Wait, what?
I grabbed the wrong container.
Oh my gosh. Did you drink it?
No, thankfully I noticed first.
That was lucky.
Very lucky. I don't think I could survive salty coffee.
Neither could I. So, after dinner, what did you do?
I took a shower, then I watched a little TV.
A little?
About 2 hours.
Dave,
I know.
what were you watching?
A comedy show.
Was it good?
Really good. I laughed a lot.
Sounds like your evening got better.
It did. But then I made one small mistake.
What kind of mistake?
I looked at the clock. It was almost midnight,
Oh no.
and I had to wake up early again.
So, how did your day finally end?
Well, I told myself I'd go to bed right away, but then my phone rang.
Who was calling?
My friend, and he had a very funny story.
Okay, Dave. Your friend called you at midnight. What was so funny?
He told me about his day. And honestly, his day was even worse than mine.
Really? What happened?
He went to a restaurant for dinner.
Okay.
He ordered chicken, but the waiter brought him fish.
Oh no.
He said, "I'm sorry, I ordered chicken." The waiter said, "Oh, I'm sorry." Then he took the fish away.
So far, that's not very funny.
Wait, it gets better. The waiter came back with another plate.
The chicken?
No, the same fish. My friend said, "That's still fish."
Oh, wow. What did the waiter say?
He said, "Sorry, I thought you changed your mind."
What?
Exactly. My friend didn't know what to say.
I think I would just laugh.
That's what he did. Then he ordered chicken again.
Did he finally get chicken?
Yes, but then he realized something.
What?
He actually wanted fish.
Wait, really?
Yes.
Dave, that's ridiculous.
I know. He spent 10 minutes asking for chicken and then remembered he liked fish.
That's something I would do when I'm tired.
Same. Sometimes your brain just stops working.
Exactly, especially after a long day.
Anyway, after talking to my friend, I finally went to bed.
What time?
around 1 in the morning.
1? You had to wake up early.
I know. That was my mistake.
How did you feel this morning?
Very tired.
I can see that.
I was making breakfast and I almost forgot to turn off the stove.
Oh no.
I remembered at the last second.
That's scary.
Yeah, I really need more sleep.
Definitely. Sometimes a busy day feels even harder when you're tired.
That's true.
So, looking back, what was the best part of your day?
Probably dinner, even though I almost made salty coffee.
That story is still my favorite.
Mine too.
What about the worst part?
Being late for work.
And what was the funniest part?
My friend's fish story.
Fair enough.
What about you? How was your day?
Mine was pretty good. I had a busy morning, but I finished work early.
Lucky you.
Yes. After work, I met a friend for coffee.
Nice. Where did you go?
A little cafe near my house.
Did you get your usual?
Of course.
Coffee again?
Always.
You and I are very similar.
Maybe that's why we get along.
Maybe.
After coffee, I went home. I cooked dinner. Then I watched a movie.
What movie?
A comedy.
Another comedy?
Yes. I had a good laugh.
Sounds like we both had a funny evening.
We did, but tomorrow,
What?
I think we should talk about what makes a really good day.
Now that's an interesting question.
Exactly. What makes a good day for you?
I think a good day is simple.
What do you mean?
I wake up on time, I have a good breakfast, work isn't too stressful, and I have time to relax.
That sounds nice. Anything else?
Good food
Of course.
and good coffee.
I knew coffee was coming.
Coffee makes a good day better.
I agree. For me, a good day is when I don't feel rushed.
That's important.
I like having enough time to get ready in the morning. Then I can enjoy breakfast.
I wish I had that every morning.
Why don't you?
Because I stay in bed too long.
There it is, the real problem.
I'm working on it.
Okay. What's another thing that makes your day better?
Talking to good friends
Aw, that's nice.
and having a good laugh,
I agree. A good laugh can change your mood.
even on a bad day.
Exactly. Sometimes you have a stressful morning, then a friend makes you laugh, and suddenly you feel much better.
That's what happened last night.
With the fish story?
Exactly. I was tired, but after talking to my friend, I felt much better.
That's a good example. A good conversation can really help.
What makes a bad day for you?
Too much traffic,
Same.
being late,
Definitely.
and forgetting something important.
Oh, yes. Like your keys?
Exactly.
Or your phone?
That would be a disaster.
I think I'd survive without my phone.
Really?
Maybe for 30 minutes.
That's more honest.
I need time to prepare for that kind of life.
Fair enough. Do you usually have a plan for your day?
Sometimes I make a list in the morning.
Does it help?
Yes, but sometimes I write too many things.
How many?
Maybe 10 or 15.
That's a lot.
I get excited.
And how many do you finish?
Maybe 5. But those 5 are very important.
That's one way to look at it.
I'm trying to stay positive.
Good attitude.
What about you? Do you make a daily plan?
Yes, but I keep it simple. I choose 3 important things.
Only 3?
Yes, that feels more manageable.
I should try that.
You should. Maybe then you'll finish your list.
And maybe I'll stop buying notebooks for new lists.
Wait, you buy new notebooks?
Yes,
Why?
because a new notebook makes me feel productive.
Dave, that's not productivity.
It feels like productivity.
Okay, I'll let you have that one.
You know what else makes my day better?
What?
When I finish work and know I don't have anything important left.
Oh, that feeling is great.
you can finally relax.
Exactly. You can have dinner, watch something, talk to friends, or just do nothing.
Doing nothing is sometimes my favorite activity.
I understand. Sometimes you don't need a busy evening.
You just need a quiet one.
Exactly.
Actually, I think I know what I want tomorrow.
What?
A calm morning, a good coffee, a normal workday, and no fish.
I think that's a pretty good plan.
But tomorrow might have a surprise.
What kind of surprise?
I'm not telling you yet.
Okay, Dave. Now I'm curious. What is this surprise?
Actually, there isn't a big surprise.
Wait, what?
I was joking.
Dave, you got me.
Sorry. I couldn't resist.
You really enjoy teasing me.
A little.
Okay, then let's forget the surprise. Let's talk about tomorrow. What would make tomorrow a good day?
I want to wake up early.
Really?
Yes. I'm going to get up at 7.
You're sure about that?
Very sure.
How many alarms?
2.
Only 2?
Okay. 3.
Ha, now I believe you.
Then I'll have a good breakfast, I'll drink coffee, and I'll leave home on time.
That sounds like a great start.
I also want to have a calm workday. No long meetings.
That's a wonderful dream.
Thank you.
Anything else?
I want to finish work on time, then I'll go home, make dinner, and relax.
That sounds simple.
Exactly. I think good days don't have to be exciting. Sometimes a normal day is enough.
I really like that. A good day can be simple. Good food, good people, a little time to relax, and maybe a good laugh.
Definitely a good laugh.
Of course, you and your laughter.
It's part of my daily routine. You know what? Talking about my day actually helped.
Why?
I realized my day wasn't really bad. I just had a few problems.
That's true. Sometimes we remember the bad moments and forget the good ones.
Like having lunch with friends or laughing at something silly.
Exactly. Even a small good moment can change your day.
So maybe tomorrow I'll pay more attention to those moments.
That's a good idea.
And I'll try to put my phone away earlier.
Now that's a real surprise.
I'm serious.
Okay, I'll believe you. Maybe.
Fair enough.
So, Dave, how was your day?
Honestly, it started badly, but it ended pretty well.
I think that's a nice way to finish.
Yeah, and talking with you made it better.
Aw, that's sweet.
Don't get used to it. I'm still Dave.
I know, and I'm glad you are.
Thanks, Cindy.
Thank you so much for listening today. Keep practicing your English every day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you in the next lesson.
See you next time.